Che succede, YouTube? Sono andato in Italia. Sta guardando Ready, Set, Drone.
By the way, I just wanted to show you what I've been driving. The hot hatch Alfa Romeo. So I came down to this little town near a lake to fly my Mavic 2 over the lake and up by the mountain, but I've decided not to fly it here right now because it is very, very windy. I don't know if you can tell or see all the white caps out there on the water, but the wind is blowing. Okay, so I've come about an hour away from Brescia and came to this lake, but it was very windy, a bit too windy to fly the drone near the lake. So I came up a little bit further into the hills and found this, which is pretty cool. Came around the corner to find this, some old ruins of some sort. there was a plaque back there that said this used to be a paper mill. A lot of old abandoned buildings in Italy. If you wanted to be an urban spelunker, this would be the place to do it. What's kind of cool in here is you can see some of the original timbers that were in this building still going across. Very peaceful and kind of creepy at the same time. Well, and of course you know what I want to do. I'm going to fly the drone around it. So I came down into this little area where the water is flowing, and I thought there might be another waterfall, but it was just water coming down, you know, little rapids. But it's really cool down here because there's this awesome, very lush green moss that's super soft. And then over there, I don't know if you can tell, but we're way down. Those look like part of a man-made wall built right over there, which if you didn't know, you would just think that was regular cliff face, but it's got bricks in the side of it. So pretty cool that it came all the way down here to the water. I guess if this was an old paper mill, then it would make sense that they would have something close to the water so that they could turn a wheel so that they could make the paper. This is kind of a cool, pretty rock. I think I will take it home as a souvenir. All right, so I think this might be the longest boat I've seen in a while.